What do you see as the future in terms of China? The economy has not been so good over the past couple of years, and the central government has been taking some stimulus measures. What would be your view on how things are going to develop over the next few years?
So China is already the world's second largest economy, and if the EU is included, we are the third largest globally, measured in US dollars. However, with the economy developing to this stage, in the post-industrial era, China also faces significant challenges. We need to transition from a production-oriented society to a consumption-oriented society, which is a very important issue. I think no one mentioned this issue 3 years ago because China was enjoying our position, our ability to export, our capabilities within global manufacturing, and our status as the world's factory. However, from the perspective of a socio-economic development model and direction, no developed economy or country has achieved this without developing its service industry. Therefore, there is no OECD country that is not service-oriented. In such countries, consumption accounts for more than 70% of the national economy, and there is no developed country with such a per capita income level where national income does not exceed 60% of the total GDP income. Therefore, this is a moral testament to the common homeland of humanity. Chinese society indeed needs a genuine social transformation, and for the transformation of China's social and economic structure, it is essential to shift from a production-oriented society to a consumption-oriented society. I wonder if you could talk about your plans for the coming year and beyond. What directions and what projects are you looking at? How do you plan to convince consumers to have more confidence in the future and to spend more freely on more? In the past, we focused on supply-side reforms, making more reforms, optimizations, and efficiency improvements on the supply side. However, the core is still demand. Only when the people have money in their hands will they dare to consume and be willing to consume. Therefore, in our economic revitalization stimulus plan, the core focus is on the middle and low-income groups, not the wealthy. Warnings to the wealthy are useless. Their marginal propensity to consume is very low. We should implement large-scale tax cuts and benefits for the middle and low-income groups, transferring through primary and secondary distribution, government subsidies, and in areas such as social, medical insurance, education, housing, and raising children. Subsidies should be provided in all aspects. The future development of China's economy indeed requires support from consumption, and it is crucial to improve effective demand and manage expectations to instill confidence in the market, provide motivation, and then improve the income levels of residents ultimately. Direct limited financial resources towards cultivating the momentum for long-term economic development. This momentum for long-term economic development involves the repair of residents' balance sheets, the increase in per capita income levels, and the continuous improvement of marginal demand. Only in this way is it truly possible for China's economy to maintain sustainable, long-term health and prosperity.